Okay, this is Sean Dubray with MasterCraftsmen again, and we're here at the home of Lynn Edwards in Northwest Hills, and still working on this Gable repair and paint project. Just wanted to get a video of some of this custom scaffolding we had to build to get up here, and it was quite a challenge. Fixing to walk up the ladder here and give you a better view of what we actually got going on up here. As you can see, we've got a metal roof, and we can't put screws or nails into our metal roof. So I had to build a special scaffolding system without nails or screws into the roof, and that way we could have access to our gable end over the pool house. As we go up here, you can see Danny, my painter, precariously dangling and this way we can get a ladder on there and get up all the way to the top of this gable end. So anyway, this is Sean Dubray with MasterCraftsmen. Give us a call if you have any home improvement needs. 512-578-8358. Thanks a lot.